Minista wa Karia Bondene na wathani bo matura Kpichumba Murkomen ni wete uchunkune bo ambirite kenda kumenya kaumo kikuke wakili Kyalo Mbobu kungina kuo Nteto ciembe areithi bethite baikatho likithia bo kariba kiromba thirikari ko bare andeithi cio ire ciiroe. Minista wa Karia Bondene na wathani bo matura Kpichumba Murkomen awete na kwithikire kuke wakili Kyalo Mbobu nyuma ya kurathwania antu batikumenyeka mucio Nairobi.
It's a very sad thing to see him being killed in such a very heinous manner. It's a terrible thing that happened in our country, that someone assassinated or killed a very prominent, hard-working citizen of this republic who was going about his business peacefully. We do not know the motive yet. So I start by saying my condolences to the family of Dr. Kyalo Mbobu. He was a wonderful man. He was, I can say, one of my best teachers.
We have been in
touch with the DCI since this issue has happened, and I am happy to note that there is some progress that has been made. Some persons of interest have been identified, that those persons of interest are being interrogated, and many others are going to be sought. I pray that the DCI is going to be successful.
Kaiteni ukau mabizabo karibu wete baita nambere kuongelo karia Nteto ciembe na kuthirite kwina wagagia na wamba bwandeithia.
Economically mwambi utu lose tengirinyanya na maana tatu na 54 inga pecha milioni onkorogia ya merongweli na azarene ne mmoja Meru county to lose tento yingia yetu still tutechereri muno uitukona other counties especially ya Ntorotero Pokot uterenero Ndumuru na uterenero Marakwet bai ya wangambe inge ya going road ba compensator kinya bado tuli antu ba Kenya tukoromba kethera ngombe chetu chairi o utagututhia atira Ndumuru thirikari ni anjivike to compensate.
Nawe murungamiri wa CDF Tigania West awite ne barekite gubogiriro kya ritwa na bakongelo karia Nteto
kwena efforts bado cha kuinstall security lights kuma maskan kuma nchiro au market tuitaba maskan no tukumenya toba ingi sana ibakararu terora nende kila tumbubikio barombe bedre be patient no to first phase emoshimwe arombe teyu na aromba chia kibulene aromba chia kagaene na aromba chia karumo no tinya karumo no kwa kiro kini kwa section nya karumo especially kuma huko kwa mosi na mi inya tombira kona the security lights so moshimwe na andikire barua and I'm in possession of that letter. I request to either tokewa security street lights kuma nchiro market with all the way mwanka boundary ala tukubona no the